Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how to reset Dribbble login password and recover your Dribbble account. First, go to dribbble.com. Then click on Sign In at the top. Now click on Forgot Password? Link if you do not remember your password. Enter the email address you used when you create the Dribbble account, then click Send Reset Instructions button. Now check your email for the reset link from Dribbble. Click on the Reset Password button and now you can set a new password for your Dribbble account. Make sure the password is strong. Log into your account using the new password now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.